If your kitchen doesn't smell like melted butter, sizzling garlic, and juicy seafood in the next 10 minutes, you're doing something wrong, because today we're making shrimp so good they disappear straight from the pan. No plate, no waiting, just grab and eat. I've got 450 grams of shrimp here. Cleaned, washed, and now I'm patting them completely dry. This step, don't skip it. Dry shrimp means bold flavor, not watery seasoning. Now we wake them up. For the seasoning, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, a little less than 1 teaspoon paprika for that deep color and smoky warmth, half a teaspoon chili flakes, because bland shrimp is a crime, and now fresh lemon. Just squeeze it right over. Mix it properly, not gently. Get in there. Every shrimp should be coated like it means business. Let that sit for 10 minutes, not longer, just enough to soak in all that flavor. Now comes the part that changes everything. Garlic, 4 cloves, finely chopped, not crushed, not chunky. Fine, because we want that flavor in every single bite. A bit of fresh parsley too. Chop it up. Not too much, just enough to bring freshness at the end. Pan on heat. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Once it's hot, add the shrimp. Don't dump them. Place them. Give them space. Hear that sizzle? That's exactly what you want. 2 minutes. High heat, no touching, flip. Another 2 minutes. And look at that. Perfectly pink, slightly golden, juicy. Take them out immediately. Don't overcook. Shrimp don't forgive mistakes. Same pan, no washing. 2 tablespoons butter goes in. Let it melt slowly. And now the garlic. The moment it hits the butter, you'll smell it. That's your signal you're doing it right. Don't brown it, just let it bloom. A pinch more chili flakes, optional but highly recommended. Now bring the shrimp back in. Toss, coat. Let that garlic butter hug every piece. Finish it with a final squeeze of lemon and a handful of parsley, and that's it. No complicated steps, no fancy ingredients, just pure flavor. Serve it hot or don't even bother plating it. Just eat it straight from the pan. And by the way, my kid challenged me to recreate the exact look from the shrimp packet, so be honest, did I nail it or not? Tell me in the comments. And if this made you hungry, you already know what to do. Like, subscribe, and let's jump to the next shrimp recipe.